Come. Okay, let me close the door. Okay, this is my friend Jermi's house. I will try to show you right now. You know, the home tour, those big studios, like 25,000 USD dollar studio. Come, first thing that you can see, it's the books here. You know, the great books here, and most of them are in Amharic language. And this is the place that you can see. Go a little bit backside, bro. Yes, yeah. And I don't know what's inside because it's not my house. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. And guess what? When you are working from home, and you know, you can just work out here like this. You know, 1, 2. Oh, yeah. For the gym, right? You don't need to go to the gym.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, another table. You can eat, or maybe you have a friend like me. He can come. You can just have a seat here. Oh. Why it's coming here, bro? Okay, so, and stay, don't come. Okay, and this is the bottle of voa, So another one is a bottle of voa as well. Another chair for your friend, or maybe while you can eat here. So this is the biggest, the Xiaomi monitor, right? You know, the HP mouse. You know, the cup that is with you know, Amharic language. Latest, right? And this is the book, the clock that every morning it will wake you up. Okay, so there's a lot of, you know, pens and pencils and stuff. And this is his place. This is the legendary flag of Ethiopia. This is his goals and dreams, right? This is the, you know, the monitor, Xiaomi monitor. He just upgraded now. He bought it a new one, right? So, and this is his new iPhone, you know, iPhone 11. He has from Apple. It's brilliant, right? Okay, so look, this is the what is the name? Huawei, right?
Wow.
The Huawei, and I don't know the model, but he has it anyway. So, and look at this one, bro. Look. Oh, this is Bob Marley stuff, right?
This one?
Ah, okay. Sun Tzu, the art of war. Okay, good. So this is the place that he can charge his stuff and thing. You know, the only thing that I didn't like is his chair. Look. This is not a good chair, bro, to be honest. even he has like this, you can keep it. You can't keep it, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
I will buy the new one.
Yeah, you will buy the new one. Don't worry, I will give you my chair. So this is the bed, brilliant bed. You know, you can just enjoy yourself. And this one here as well, like
the heating.
What is that? Heating, right? Yeah, heating. And also the view also looks brilliant. You can see. As you can see, right, the look outside. But I have a question, bro. What the hell is this one? Why is it for some people coming? It's for selling yourself. Okay, so just don't worry. Okay, good. And this one I like as well. Look, this stuff. And this is the pictures of the great kings of the Ethiopia. This is the, you know, famous place, you know, the holiest place on earth. One of them. One of the holiest places. You know, this is the medal that my friend got from, you know, playing football. He's a football player. He used to play in Barcelona 2020. And he got this one. And also this one as well. I don't know what is that, but he has it. So here he is. This one. And this is this is a bag, right? This is a bag that it's from Gucci store, 500 euros. And this place and this place as well. There are a lot of, you know, glasses that you can wear, you know what I'm saying? You can just come wear this one. And another glasses, another shoes from, you know, Gucci store. Shoes from the Gucci store.
This is not, money not.
Oh, this is the money. Oh my God. This which kind of money they are?
This is
Chinese?
This is Chinese.
Chinese money?
No,
Tajikistani money?
No, it's
Russian money? Ethiopian money?
This is 10 ball.
Okay.
This is 100. This is 10.
So, okay, this is 100 one, right? Yeah. Okay, good. These are the shoes. Another shoes. These are shoes from the Gucci store. 700 euros. Gucci stores. And what else do we have?
That's all.
That's all, bro. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This was the okay. Look, this is my YouTube, okay? Oh, okay. This one. Okay, this one. If you can travel back, what you'll do, you do this one to yourself. And this is a great king. And this one as well, a beautiful picture. This is the flag, and this is the door. You can close it, and this one, you open stuff, and that's it, bro. That's it. Thank you very much. And this was the home tour. I think you like it. If you like, you like. If you don't like, I don't care. Have a good day, everybody. Bye bye.